Good morning. In the last class, we discussed half adders using NOR gates, and we discussed clearly about the truth table of the NOR gate, and we construct half adder using NOR gates. And we discussed truth table of half adder in the last class, and some expression, carry expression, all these things we discussed in the last class. And half adder can be constructed with a simple logic, that is with the help of one AND gate and one exclusive OR gate. It is simple construction of half adder actually. And we know half adder can add 2 bits and it has 2 inputs, 2 outputs. The 2 outputs are sum and carry. We know actual truth table of that half adder is for 2 inputs. There are 2 combinations. If there are 2 inputs and binary bits are 2, its combination is 2 power 2, means 4 combinations we get, that is 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Today we are going to discuss about the full adder circuit using half adder. With the help of half adders, we discuss full adder. We are going to construct half adder. We are going to construct full adder using half adders, using 2 half adders. With this, see, in this objectives, on completion of this period, you will be able to construct full adder using 2 half adders. And block diagram of full adder, truth table of full adder. Here addition of two 3-bit binary numbers are shown in figure. We are adding 3 bits. See, observe here, it is a binary addition. We are taking 3-bit binary numbers A, B. The bits are 0, 1, 1, and bits B, A bits are 0, 1, 1, B bits are 1, 1, 0. We are taking addition 1, 0, sum is 1. 1, 1, sum is 0, carry 1 is generated. 0, 1 and carry 1 becomes what? 1, 1. It is a 1, 0. 0 here and carry forwarded. Some digits we get 0, 0, 1 and carry out is the 1, that is MSB. It means how addition takes place in the binary, that is in 3 bits. Yellow marked are represented carry forwarded. The second column 0 carry forwarded. The third column carry forwarded is 1. Because here A bits 0, 1, 1, B bits 1, 1, 0. If for 1, 0, sum is 1, carry is 0. Hence, 0 carries forwarded to the second column. And here in the second column 1, 1 and 0 is added. So that is 1, 1 becomes 1, 0. 0 is here and carry 1 is forwarded to the next stage. There 1, 0, 1 need to be added. That becomes what? Again that becomes 1, 0. 0 remains here and carry 1 is forwarded. MSB is the 1. Carry out to next column. Here it is represented some digits carry out to next column, and LSB, MSB all are represented here. It means what is this? Addition of two 3-bit binary numbers. So we got idea how to add these numbers, means from one stage to next stage carry will be forwarded. If carry is nothing, 0 will be forwarded. If carry 1 is there, 1 is forwarded. It is called binary addition. So above it is represented carry in from previous column. In this way, we can add binary numbers that can be 2 bits or 3 bits. It is called 3-bit binary number. How many 3 bits are taken here? 2 numbers of 3 bits are taken here. Recap. In the recap, function and 2 table of adder. It is 2 table of adder. It has 2 inputs A, B, 2 outputs carry, sum. Inputs are 2 and they are binary bits 0 and 1, so they get 2 power 2 combinations, means 4 combinations. That is 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, 1 1. These are the 4 combinations of inputs. Now, for 0 0 combination of inputs, carry 0, sum 0. For 0 1 combination, carry 0, sum 1. For 1 0 combination, carry 0, sum 1. For 1 1 combination, carry 1, sum 0. This is the 2 table of adder. Boolean expression for sum and carry of adder. carry equal to AB. The operation in between A and B is AND operation. Sum equal to A exclusive or B, that equal to A B bar plus A bar B. Full adder. A full adder adds 3 bits at a time. A half adder can be used for addition of LSBs to add two binary numbers. A full adder is essential to add subsequent bits in addition of two binary numbers. It is a combinational logic circuit. Now it is full adder shown in figure. This full adder has two inputs, AB, two outputs, sum and carry out. And carry in. This is the block diagram of full adder. Now for truth table, It has three inputs: A, B, carry in. Three inputs. And two outputs, sum and carry out. These three inputs for two binary digits gives 2 power 3 combinations. Means we get 8 combinations here for the inputs. They are 0 0 0, 0 0 1, 0 1 0, 0 1 1, 1 0 0, 1 0 1, 1 1 0, 1 1. For these combinations, for 0 0 0 combination, carry 0, sum 0. For 0 0 1 combination, carry 0, sum 1. For 0 1 0 combination, carry 0, sum 1. For 0 1 1 combination, carry 1, sum 0. For 1 0 0 combination, carry 0, sum 1. For 1 0 1 combination, carry 1, sum 0. For 1 1 0 combination, carry 1, sum 0. For 1 combination, carry 1, sum 1. This is the truth table of full ladder, because the full ladder can add 3 bit at a time. Boolean expression for sum and carry. Sum equal to A exclusive or B C in, that equal to A exclusive or B plus C in, C out, A B. Logic circuit of full adder is shown here. Here first one half adder is formed with exclusive OR and AND gate. Next half adder also is formed by exclusive OR AND gate. There are two half adders separately. With the help of these two half adders, we can construct or we can design full adder. Here in the figure shown, AB is applied to the first exclusive OR gate and its output is given to the next exclusive OR gate of second half adder, and C in is given to the AND gate of the second half adder, and same is given to the exclusive OR gate of second half adder, and carry output of first half adder is given to the OR gate, and same next carry output of second half adder is given to the OR gate, that is C out here of our full adder. And the sum output is taken at exclusive OR gate of second half adder. So here full adder can be constructed using two half adders and one OR gate. Two separate half adders are shown here. They are marked as a half adders separately with dotted lines, and they are combined to form a they are combined they are combined to form full adders. Here some expression is given, and carry expression also is given here, which we discussed already. Now we go for truth table of full adder. Here same three inputs are shown here: carry in, input B, input A. These are the three inputs, and two outputs carry out some digit. For 0 0 0 combination, carry out is 0, sum is 0. For 0, 0, 1 combination, carry output is 0, sum is 1. For 0, 1, 0 combination, carry output is 0, sum is 1. For 0, 1, 1 combination, carry output is 1, sum is 0. For 1, 0, 0 combination, carry output is 0, sum output is 1. Correct doesn't it? For 1, 0, 1 combination, carry output is 1, sum output is 0. For 1, 1, 0 combination, carry output is 1 and the sum output is 0. For 1, 1, 1 combination, carry output is 1, sum output is 1. Sum output is 1, carry output is 1. This is the truth table of full adder. Summary. A full adder adds 3 bits at a time. A full adder is combinational logic circuit that consists of 2 half adders and 1 OR gate. A full adder is used in construction of parallel binary adder. So this is the summary which we discussed in this period. Quiz. Quiz 1. A full adder adds dash bits at a time. Option A 1 bit. Option B 2 bits. Option C 3 bits. Option D any number. For this, answer is a full adder can add 3 bits at a time. So our answer is option C. Our answer is option C. A full adder adds 3 bits at a time. Second quiz. A full adder has 3 inputs and dash outputs. It means a full adder has 3 inputs, but how many outputs it has? Full adder has sum output, carry output. So here in the option A, 1 output, option B, 2 outputs, option C, 3 outputs, option D, any number outputs. It has 2 outputs, sum output, carry output. 2 outputs mean our answer option B is the right answer. Next, third quiz. A full adder consists of two NAND gates and one NOR gate, two half adders and one OR gate, one XOR gate and one NOR gate and one AND gate. One NOR gate, two half adders. Full adder can be constructed with two half adders and one OR gate. Our answer should be two half adders and one OR gate. That is option B is the right answer for this question. Frequently asked questions. Construct full adder and draw its truth table. Show that a full adder can be constructed using two half adders and one OR gate. These are the frequently asked questions. Assignment also is there, it is not required. So today we discussed about the full adder using two half adder, and we discussed truth table also. In the next class we discuss next topic.